If you're interested in knowing how I made this hair butter, stay tuned and watch to the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making Ayurvedic hair butter using 3 main ingredients, which you can definitely find on Amazon. We're going to be using the organic Brahmi powder. Secondly, we will be using the king of hair, which is also known as Bhringraj powder. And last but not least, the unrefined mango butter. As usual, you do not have to use the exact butter that I'm using. You can go ahead and use shea butter if you like. For the sake of today's video, all the measurements as usual will be in the description for everyone to follow along. Now I am going to be using 1 tablespoon of the Bhringraj powder and 1 tablespoon of the Brahmi powder. I am now going to go ahead and add my base oil. In this case, it is the grapeseed oil. I am going in with 3 tablespoons. Now, depending on how much butter you want to make, you can go ahead and add a little bit more, but I will just wait till the end to see the consistency of the butter before adding any more oils. I am going to go ahead with the second oil that I will be using in today's video, and that is the black castor oil. Just ignore the fact that it is in this bottle and just focus on the oil itself. So for this oil, I added only 1 tablespoon because castor oil is very thick. After adding all your oils together with the powders, you want to go ahead and mix everything before we perform the double boiler method. While that is going on, let's talk a little bit more about the Brahmi powder. It is organic, so we know that it is a natural conditioner. That means that it adds natural shine and makes our hair more manageable, and that is perfect for my hair type. I am now going to go ahead and strain this mixture. This is after you have allowed it to cool down. Now let's go on to the butter. So this is my first time using the mango butter, so I am very excited to see what the difference will be. I did not measure this. I only took a little piece, as you guys can see. Again, it depends on how much you want to make. So after cutting it, I am also going to perform the double boiler method to melt this. Now let's talk about the mango butter. It is considered lightweight. It contains vitamin A, C, and E. It adds shine and softness to our hair, and just like the Brahmi powder, it protects the hair from damage such as UV light, pollution, harsh weather, and so forth. Back to the video. Now that we have completely melted the butter, we are now going to go ahead and add all our mixtures together. This is the part of the video where you go ahead and add all the essential oils of your choice. I will be adding peppermint oil, of course, because I like the feeling on my scalp. I'll also be adding my preservative. Last but not least, I also added my hair oil, which is the rosemary / castor oil. After mixing everything properly, we're going to put it in the freezer for about 5-10 minutes, after which it hardens. We bring it out. Now we use our electric mixer to mix. For those that do not have an electric mixer, I will advise you to put your mixture in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Do not let it harden all the way. You take it out and then you manually mix it. As you guys can see, I had to add some oils because while mixing it, I noticed that it was really hard, and that was not the consistency that I was looking for. So I went in with a little bit of oil, and I chose to use the same oil that I added earlier in the video. Now you want to mix it for about 5-10 minutes. You will notice that the color will start to change. You keep mixing until you achieve the consistency you are looking for. This hair butter is very potent because of all the ingredients that it contains. Because of the powders that we use, we know that it will help us with scalp irritation. It will help with split end. It will make sure that our hair, for those that have really tough hair, that our hair is manageable. It is going to protect us from scalp irritation, inflammation. It will protect us from dandruff, and at the same time, it will combat hair fall. This brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to store this in the fridge. Use it 2 to 3 times per week to see results. Guys, if you're new here for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.